I have always wanted to have this kind of coffee table in my space, and for the longest time I've never had a coffee table that I really loved. So I thought, why not make one for myself? So I'm going to recreate a coffee table that really inspires me. If you have been around the place where they sell this type of furnitures, you know it is quite expensive, and for me to get a perfect size that really fit my space, let me tell you, ni god manze, ni god. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Reggie. If you're new here, karibu sana. This is the place that you'll get DIY videos, makeover, anything in between. So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always clicking to watch my video and for always supporting my content. I really appreciate you people. You're the reason I do what I do. So let's get straight to this video, but please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share, comment, leave a sweet comment down below. Let me know what you think with the end product, and if you can, tell a friend to tell a friend.
2,000 years later.
Once the sanding was done, I went in with a clear varnish just to protect the wood from any spill and also make it very smooth. After applying the varnish, I noticed even after those so many hours of sanding, I could still see some spots that I really didn't like. So this was a last minute decision. I decided to go in with a white paint to paint the top and then seal it. Everything I've ever wanted in a coffee table, this is it. So much texture, character, everything, and I love it here. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share and leave a comment down below. I really hope to see you in the next video. Bye.